One moment, sister. Are you satisfied? Hmm? You would be satisfied after seeing Pari's this condition. You should be ashamed. You didn't spare even such a little girl. If you had not spoken with her like that, then she would not have faced this condition. But you did all this on purpose. Speak up. Speak up. You did this on purpose.
Staff!
Staff? Why do you need the staff? Leave me. Leave me. Sister, I want to speak with you. You made a mistake, so accept that first. No, I won't go. What? Are you not comfortable hearing the truth? Don't you like to hear the truth? Hey, you made a mistake. That's why you are scared. You are very scared. And that's why you are locking me inside a room.
My dear Mithila, I won't feel bad to put you in a mental hospital. Don't speak at all. And if you do that, then I will tell Papa and get you admitted in a mental asylum fast. Do you get what I'm saying? I will admit you to a mental hospital. Take her. Sameer, wait.
Aunt, I'll be right back. I will...
Don't you get what I am saying?
What happened?
What happened? It happened. Just like you wanted it. Are you satisfied now?
What did I do?
You were doing the duty of being the best friend. And that's why you were going to hook up that Anushka with Yash. You had made all the preparation, right? But while doing this, you forgot one important duty. Your duty as an uncle. You forgot it. While doing this, you didn't think even once what will happen to that little girl or what will she think about this at all. How will Pari react or what will she think when Anushka comes in front of her? You didn't think even once what will you tell her once she finds out about Anushka? Really? You are doing all this for Yash's loneliness, but what about Pari's loneliness? Can we make anyone stand in front of her as her mother? No, Sameer. No, Sameer. Motherhood cannot be hooked up like this. You have played with Pari's feeling.
Aunt?
How could you do this, Sameer? I really didn't expect this.
No, but I
had felt that before doing all this you will speak once with us, but no.
But what did I?
Just keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Don't speak even a word more. You are Yash's good friend and you always think about his well-being. That's why I never came in between you two. I never spoke. But you are the only one who is responsible for Pari's today's condition. Keep that in mind. And I tell you one thing, if something happens to Pari, then I won't forgive you. Forget about me. No one from this house will ever forget you, Sameer. I beg to you, Sameer. Please. Stop all this. Sameer, please stop. This whole Anushka drama now at least. This foolish Mithila gives me a nice idea sometimes. I asked him the question she asked me. She held me responsible and I held him responsible. This move has played out well.
Ritesh?
Are you busy?
No.
I wanted to speak a little important.
What do you want to speak? What happened? Hey, what are you doing?
First promise, Aunt. that you won't tell uncle or sister Anu anything from what I tell you. Please.
Yes, but what happened? What happened? I'm feeling scared.
Aunt, I'm also feeling scared. That's why I came to see you. But tell me that you won't tell anything to uncle or sister Anu, then only I will tell you.
Ritesh, yes, but what happened? Almighty, I won't tell anything to anyone. Tell me now, what happened?
Aunt, you know that our sister Anu... I mean, I had told you that day while speaking to uncle, right? That we should tell sister Anu before she remembers anything. That we should tell her about her past. And aunt, whether she remembers or not, but we should tell her the truth. We should be honest with her, right, aunt? If we don't tell her and she finds it out somewhere from outside, then she will never forgive us.
Yes, Ritesh, but why are you telling me all this now? What happened? Did Anu remember anything? Almighty.
No, it's nothing as such. It doesn't seem anything like that has happened. But aunt, you have also seen it. I mean, you would also have seen that she's upset nowadays. She's always lost. She's always sad. She doesn't pay attention to what we say. She keeps looking somewhere most of the times. It feels as if she's a stranger. I mean, her body's here, but she's lost somewhere else. She keeps holding her head in between the conversation. I don't know why. I mean, I don't know that if she's remembering things from her past. I don't know if she's remembering anything. But aunt, you speak with her once. Yes, please.
My Anu, she's in so much stress and I'm unable to do anything. What do I do?
Aunt, please. Please, who will talk if you won't talk, aunt? Yes? Who is very close to her now?
Ritesh,
Huh?
but
Aunt, look, please. It's very important for our family and everyone that Sister Anu is happy, and it's that much important for Sister Anu too, aunt. Please do it for Sister Anu's sake.
you are speaking the truth, Ritesh. I will speak with Anu.
Thank you. Thank you.
You'll marry a person whom you don't know. Don't even know at all. And this is not about a day or two. It's a matter of your life.
Anu ma'am, your mom has called you.
Tell her that I'm coming.
But ma'am, she has called you right now.
Don't you understand when I say it once? Sorry. Tell her that I'm coming.
Anu dear, what has happened?
Nothing, Mom. I was coming downstairs. Why did you come?
My Anu didn't come right away after I called her. It never happens. Today you didn't come, so something has surely happened. Right?
No, Mom. Nothing has happened.
Mom is not just a relation, dear. If something happens to her kid, then she will feel the pain first. That's a mother. She understands her kid even when they don't tell her anything. That's a mother. A mother can also see the tears in her daughter's eyes. Anu dear, I can understand what's in your heart without you telling me. Words are not needed for the same. Your silence is telling me a lot of things. Why are you sad? What happened? Huh?
Nothing has really happened. I'm perfectly fine.
Nothing has really happened. Are you speaking the truth? Then why do I feel like this? Why do I feel that my daughter is lonely today? She has hidden a lot of things in her heart.
Mom, I'm really very stressed, Mom. I don't remember anything. I'm trying to remember a lot.
I can see a lot of blurry things, but I don't understand what's true, and that's disturbing me very much, Mom. I feel as if it's better to die than live like this.
Anu, don't talk like that. Don't talk like that, dear. Don't trouble yourself like this. Huh? Everything will be okay. Hey, give yourself some time. It will take time to remember. Give it time. I'm sure of that. Everything will be fine. Almighty will take care of everything.
Mom. 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 Mom.
Pari, look, listen to me. Yes, dear. Pari,
Mom. Mom. Mom.
This is my wedding invite. Why is Yash calling so late at night? Why is he disconnecting?
Mom.
Pari, I'm trying, dear, but will you please speak? Please, just speak with me once. Look, hey, Pari, open your eyes once, please. Please, Pari.
Mom.
What happened? Why is he calling? Hello?
Hello, Anushka.
Hello, Yash.
Anushka,
What happened? Hello? Are you okay?
my Pari,
What happened to Pari?
it's not okay, Anushka, it's not okay. Actually, Pari's very shocked ever since she's seen you since morning, and she's not been able to open her eyes since morning. She's just calling out for her mom, and I mean the doctor came and checked her out, but he said that she suffered a very severe shock and we should erase it. I really don't know what it is. I mean, I'm trying to speak with her, but she's not responding at all, and now I don't know what to do. I mean, genuinely, I'm really clueless. Will you do one favor for me, please?
What?
Will you come to our palace tomorrow for one day, please? Please don't say no. It's for Pari's sake. Look, I won't do anything which will make you feel awkward. Nothing as such will happen. I promise, but please, if you come here, then she may open her eyes and speak something at least. I really don't know what to do, so I called you. I understand. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have asked you this, but I.
No, it's okay. I will come for a day. For Pari.
Really? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks, Anushka.
Sister Anu, that. It's nothing. I wanted to give you the update about the venture project, so I'm here. A meeting has been planned with the Chaudharys. I mean, with Yashvardhan. No, you don't have to come. I will handle it. There's nothing to worry. No issues. If you want to come, then you can come.
Brother Ritesh, I'm sorry. I overreacted yesterday.
Hey, it's nothing, Sister Anu. It's okay.
Today I don't feel your meeting with Yashvardhan will happen.
But why can't it happen?
Because if you have some other meetings, then you can do that first.
I will do this, but what's the issue
I'm
with
telling
this?
you not to do it, right?
Okay. I won't. Then there's nothing more to do today. I have a meeting with Shah from Shah Industries and there's a meeting with Stonewell people too. That's it. We just have to do that.
Only you. I'm going to Yashvardhan Chaudhary's palace.
Is it? Then there is no problem at all. I will take care of everything here. Don't worry at all. You go, I will
One
handle
moment,
it.
Brother Ritesh. It's nothing like you are thinking.
Yes, but you're...
Now please don't ask me why, where and for what I'm going. I have a different reason. Dad,
Anu dear, come. Sit down, please.
Dad, I wanted to speak with you.
I was reading some important papers. Can we talk later, please?
Dad, it was a bit urgent.
Okay. Tell me.
Dad, maybe you will be shocked after you hear what I'm about to tell you. But I feel that you should know it.
What do you want to tell me?
Dad, Yashvardhan's wife's name is Neha Chaudhary. She's not alive now. But she looks just like me. She looks the same. Neha Yashvardhan Chaudhary.
So Anu has found out everything. Oh Almighty, in the end my fears have come true. Why did you let her find out? How is this possible? Yashvardhan Chaudhary's wife looks exactly like you?
Dad, even I don't know how's that possible. But she looks just like me. I was also shocked when I found out for the first time. I really don't know how's that possible. She looks same to same. I mean, how do I tell you, Dad?
No, I had felt it that this Chaudhary will backstab us one day. It's their old habit. Did that rascal pay me back in this way? Huh?
Dad, why are you saying this?
Don't you get it that this is his conspiracy? This is his plan, Anu. He had defeated me in the same way in business. Just because I don't lose in business, he wants to take my daughter. But dear, keep one thing in mind, I'm still alive. I won't let you fall prey to his tricks, and you shouldn't fall for it either.
Dad,
Don't you understand that they are taking you away from me by saying all these things to you? Once you go away, then they can finish my business progress. This is their plan, Anu. That's why I was saying don't do business with them, don't keep any relation with them, but then you are very kind-hearted. I didn't know the Chaudharys will behave in this manner. In the end, they showed their true colors. They have planned all this, Anu. The Chaudharys have played this game. But I will not let you get stuck in this.
Dad, maybe what you are saying is true. Maybe they would have done all this on purpose, but Yashvardhan's small daughter will not lie at all, right, Dad?
Yashvardhan and Neha's daughter?
Yes, Dad. Yashvardhan and Neha has a 5-year-old daughter. Dad, how will that small girl know about the business moves? When she met me for the first time, suddenly she fell unconscious.
She fell unconscious? Where did you meet her?
No, I had gone to Yashwardhan's office that day with some work.
Huh?